Yo, yeah, it come like a promoton pa yan.
They must tire.
Huh? Yeah.
They must tire.
Yeah, so I mo tell you. So you don't even know what going on.
So
I say
tell
me
me
the
then.
Queenie live and all kind of thing, you know. Say good man.
It doesn't
Boom boom
matter,
eat.
Queenie, a girl, a nice girl. None of them would love to get the opportunity to tell me that too.
Oh,
Don't mind them.
oh,
Them a general.
yeah.
Lord, that special die. See that
If I have
early.
Jamaica in the morning, I'm gonna eat. So
If what?
if I eat there, I'm gonna eat. So
That early. Way to behave yourself. And then you go
man.
out. What come after the eating? See that? Bumbo clad sipal. Take a sip.
If I Zeus pum.
You're brave, do you?
Você
Sipal.
como
Oh,
é
you so
minha
brave.
essa vida como é, eh?
Oh, you so brave.
Yeah, for beer sometime.
You're such a baby.
Yeah.
Lord. Hey, hey. Sipal. Lord, my plate dash out. How will you plate dash out for? Winston, what you mean by about stop no? Or award this? What you mean by award this? Man, I make an offer to me, it's good. I like when I'm because you know why I rate him, yeah? Man so discriminated towards women all when them know so them still discriminate and disencourage others. But it's a beautiful thing. Pussy power. Pussy bring life. Man, if me have new
So
man, me not have no new man. Me I get quote from a man. There's a
I
difference.
mean want to fight me no man. So yeah no. I told them enough. Yeah, Queenie, I said enough. A year for them, you know. I'm here to you know, a year for them, you know. A year for them a big you up. A year for them a big you up.
Yeah,
Oh,
man. Pum pum bring life. Pum pum are one of the greatest thing God create.
a
But
year for them a big you up and them want to egg me. Oh, man.
them not my friend them a big me up and your friend them want hang you. I
Yeah.
say go man. You have to get all of that in a life to reach somewhere in a car. Not come easy, don't.
And say
Who for
me,
why?
somebody from Queenie, I want to eat
Somebody
Queenie.
make them move them dirty blood clot. Me know them attack them good like I that them tell you.
Yeah,
A bad man them
I'm back at
bad man
thing.
through them see me up on Instagram.
You know, you talk, you know, you I know you talk the thing, Queenie man, them call me, no. I forget, I know, Queenie man, them call me, because they want to life, too.
Well, let me watch it now. Move on the blood. Now get the chance to ask glad so Paul get. See Paul want to sip it up. Him now borrow no. The whole on the equal rights and justice. I never know say them page you, man.
Yeah, man.
So what you say to them when them reach out to you?
No, me I tell them, say, I want Queenie. They must say, you want Queenie? Me I say, what you mean? I want Queenie. Yeah, so me not big up, man, I can't this, yo. I'm not, my head mad more time, too, you know. I can't this, yo. Please, not,
Yeah, but at the end of a good day,
I'm not
OBA,
love man, you know.
listener, at the end of a good day, if you come on my live publicly, that's your choice, isn't it? No man
No,
not
but
supposed to take it
people
up.
find problem, Queen, man. People
Eh?
find problem. People find problem. If you have somebody on a friend, they're gonna find problem when you're on my friend.
Well, I understand,
You
but
think
what
say,
I'm saying
you
here, your
think say
own
people
big
to
man.
talk to people?
Yeah.
enough people not talk to people. Like, and then I got say you don't have to deal with nobody. You know, do you know that?
You don't have to chat to nobody. But look at that. People are very judgmental. Because the morning
Yeah.
when you come and say it, they must say, some people man on my side said to me, say, I presume the Queen because him could never the prison, not the
Yes, I
prison
know
say
that at the
him a go
top.
suck your man brave
Wisdom.
enough to say that. So you
Wisdom at
are
the top, man.
place.
Say, the
Eh?
Indian, they have wisdom. But you, for you don't know, you are on the internet, and
True, me no
on the
know
app,
what.
who attack you, you know, on the you know? So
Me no know you for truth. Me
you,
just say that
yeah,
last week when you did on the live, but the people them did I say I prison you there. So
yeah. I
now
that me
you
I
are
tell you,
telling me
man.
that the man them in your community did I watch a live and I say, oh, you come tell me that one.
Yeah, yeah. And I said, oh, me, oh, eat green, if me eat green, I can't deal with him again. Oh, stink and where. Yeah,
But enough man wake a man in time and them out stink no blood clot fresh off the head. Make the dirty Seaview boy them can't get no chance to come tell me them want blood clot tell me. Bex them Bex
yeah.
cause you brave come say it publicly. That's all. None of them can do one shit either. Excuse me, can sit second. Pardon? I can sit second. I'm okay, baby. I'm alright. You alright? Yeah, you just was
I got me, I
silent.
say, no. Me, I say, if me tell you, it doesn't matter.
Say that again.
Me, I say, if me tell you, it doesn't matter.
If you tell me, listen, and me you tell say you want something, the Queen may rate that. It might not
Yeah,
necessarily happen because me then a place where now me no want mingle with nobody unless me really depend on get that connection with that person conquer me to a level. But you see the respect when I have for you come publicly come say that and even though them threaten you still say it, me rate you. And when I come to Jamaica, I have to come look for you and meet you.
so,
The whole of
that's what
them
I'm telling
name,
you, see you over there.
them
So, if it, when
woman
I come,
name, them papa name, them uncle name, them cousin. I see if you hear that.
yeah,
You live near Rosalie.
no, good to move,
You do over the other side.
yeah,
I'll come
over
look
the
for you. It doesn't
outside.
matter. My queen, me go everywhere.
Yeah, but, yes, so, at, you know, I be an
Every
idiot there,
blood
so, you know,
clot where Jamaica
yeah,
at and me at. So when the boy them see me, what them I gonna do? Hack up the place with the blood clot, act stick on them see me. The whole of them, none of them can at up nothing. No.
you know,
Remember
I
me a
hear them
woman, you know.
call me. Yo, hear them a call me Queen man, say me a the Queen man. More you give me go and shower.
You want me give what?
Them say you me want you give me go and shower.
But you never drunk the day when you attack it. It's quite sober. Hmm?
Yeah,
Yeah. And you say your piece because that's how you felt and that's what you wanted to say. So, because you have one of the greatest woman link, which is me, Queen. Enough of them can match me. And they might never get the chance to even talk to me like this on the screen. You understand me?
I
Because
told
I'm a
me I
very
talk to you, so
valuable woman. Not just the fact that I'm on internet, me being Queenie. You understand? So,
yeah.
no make nobody bully you, madam. And as you say, you're in a Garcia, you know a Garcia and every no, no, sir.
So
No
more on
man
your
has no
Queen.
time I cut if I know body I fuck you know much blood clot man there Jamaica fuck body and them still not cut off them head.
Them say
Nobody not cut off
me
nobody
a
blood
power with the
clot
money
pussy
was
not
suck
fuck pussy
pussy.
nothing.
Them say me a
You
power with
know what it
the
is
money
cut
was
off a
suck
man head?
pussy. Queen, them say me a power with the money was suck pussy. Them tell me say it, but you don't know. I said them a pave me, grind me. I said pussy you. I am a body that's you know, pussy. Yeah, I said
So when them I
them
tell
said
you
to
that
me.
what you say.
Man, move, you know, I'm MC MC.
So why you put yourself in that position then? If you know you're living at that there with them bomber cloud
never know say I see the life, Queenie.
Hmm?
You and Clyde, I never know say I see the life.
You never know me
People,
save the life. But
yeah.
whether me save the life or not, darling, it's live. So you still don't
Yeah,
know
but
who
them
watched
know
it on the live.
me. No, but I said them stay.
Yes, so don't blame it on saving because the live saved. So what you're basically saying, if I didn't save the live,
Yeah,
they wouldn't see it.
yeah,
What?
yeah,
Pardon?
yeah. They would have see it and they would have not talk about Indian.
So Indian, so all you don't know if them watch it live when you said live, live, live.
Yeah, look so. I don't know.
Well, why you put yourself in that position though, fam? You weren't considering what's gonna happen? Well, I hear more as me say, no, no, hear nothing. You look like you fear them. You fear them? Eh?
Yeah,
Don't mind. So if everybody watch me, the world and for every creases and corner, why you come over here come tell me say you want what you want to do with my pussy? I know say them I go threaten you. Why? And then I go tell me say them a cut up. No, I suck them one suck. Then them not listen now, Sipal.
yeah,
Move
yeah.
on the undercover class Sipal cause him bravely want so vex. Cause you don't have the confidence. I got you for your confidence, Sipal. Move. But the man tell me look a nice thing there, make it me no sir, for real. I in my say it, I couldn't for real to mama but hmm?
They want to say this and real.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, mix up them attack. Yeah.
Why you make me want to hmm?
Yeah. Go on.
Yeah, because you are telling me this and now. Say them come and threaten you. That's not good. Regardless of
Yeah.
my love, that's not good.
But me think say
And
people
them
call
know
and
you hear that.
yeah.
So you beat them to blood clot. It where them gonna get that split. So you beat them to it and
Eh?
tell me first. But regardless, me lie about it. That's not nice. That's not nice.
What?
For them to tell you that,
Yeah.
that is rude. That is way out of order. Yeah, yeah, regard us. Then now I'm to them, man. Why
One
save the
Queenie
people? Say, move
badness.
on that father. Me
One
say,
people the
listen.
bind.